essentially. Something that's like heartwarming and delicious, something that extends in all cuisines and in all cultures. And I wanted to kind of showcase that with Korean flavors.
너무 재밌었어요. 굉장히 긴장을 많이 했는데 사회자가 너무 잘 도와주고 어디언스들이 호응을 잘해주니까 한국 음식에 대해서 관심을 갖고 오니까 너무 기분이 좋았어요. 하면서.
It's very delicious. It tastes very chewy in my mouth.
I liked how there was a combination of like traditional Korean cooking and fusion style cooking.
I wanted to tell the audience how proud I am of Korean culture, growing up Korean, how it's influenced my cooking career, and how much it's influencing the world and around it. I hope that people continue to innovate and create with the Korean food.
I think it's incredible. I mean, the way that these chefs are taking traditional Korean flavors and then applying ingredients that you can buy in American grocery stores really makes it accessible to anyone who's living here. So it's really awesome.
Multi-generation of people, what they thought about Korean food, and they did their take on it. So I think that was very important. Hopefully next year it'll be bigger and better. Stay tuned. We'll see.
This event was one of the best I have ever experienced in Chicago. Not only did I experience Korean food, which I love so much anytime, but what I really loved about this event is that it was really trendy, it was really classy. It really elevated Korean food to the next level. It was the kind of Korean food that you could introduce to just anyone and they would appreciate Korean food and really want to go out and try more of it.